What do you think, Tua? This is your yard now. Just had a big blizzard roll through. Lots of snow drifts here for Tua to play in, if he wants to. Be interesting to see if he jumps in any of these. Good boy. Good boy. You excited? Huh? You excited? Tua. Yeah, you excited? Come over here. Come in the deep stuff. Come on. Come in the deep stuff. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, look at that snow. Look at that snow. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Come over this big one. Come on, Tua. Yeah, he doesn't want to go on this big drift. This one's really big. What do you think, Tua? It's a lot of snow, isn't it? This is your yard for the rest of the winter now, dude. With more to come, I'm sure, over the next several months. Temperature-wise, it's not too bad yet, but we're supposed to get well below zero here in the next couple of days, so that's gonna suck. So we'll enjoy it today while we can. Right, Tua? Man, these drifts. Well, I'm getting cold, so I'm going in, guys. Take care. Thanks for watching.